Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio on Schoology so that you guys can turn in and collect your artwork all in one spot so that we don't have to put it into different assignments. Okay, so this should make everything a little bit easier for you guys. So when you log into Schoology, which is the first thing you have to do, what you're going to want to do is find your name, okay, your profile that is in the top right corner. All right, it should be right over here. So it says my name. I'm going to click onto my name, and then it brings down a menu. And what you're going to do when you click on your name is you're going to then find your profile, and you're going to click on your profile. Okay, so once you click that and it loads, you guys will have different courses, of course, because you're in different classes than I am. But on the left-hand side, you'll have your default picture, which might be a picture of you. It could be a picture you grabbed from the internet or something that was set on Schoology, but underneath there's a small menu. And what you're going to want to do is click onto the word portfolios. So when you click onto that, it's going to highlight it with white. Okay, and over here you're going to notice that I don't have any portfolios yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus button to add a new portfolio. So when I click onto that button, I can see that it's working. It says loading. And up at the very top, there's a picture. It kind of looks like a suitcase. All right, you can add a picture there to make a cover picture for your portfolio. But the only thing that I need you to do today is to create a title for your portfolio, and that title is going to be your name, and then it's going to say art folder or art portfolio. So I'm going to click onto where it says, okay, give your portfolio a title. I'm going to click that, and it's going to let me write. So I'm going to write Miss Stoneham's, and you're going to write your own name. Okay, so if your name is Jake, you're going to write Jake's art portfolio. A-R-T. Portfolio is P-O-R-T-F-O-L-I-O. Okay, so your name and then art portfolio. And then you can click enter. You can click in the bottom empty space, and this automatically saves. So at this point, your portfolio has been created. So if you scroll over and click on the word portfolios again on that left-hand side, it's going to look a little different when you click on portfolios. You're actually going to see right there, you've created your portfolio. Okay, so at this point, what you have to do in order for me to be able to see your portfolio or anyone else to be able to see your portfolio, there's a tiny little circle on the bottom, and this is how you publish your portfolio. So right now it looks clear. And you'll notice when I hover my mouse over it, it says click to publish your portfolio to Newark Central School District. So if I click on that, it's going to turn it a kind of greenish color. Okay, it kind of looks yellow on my screen, but it's a yellow-green color. Once you see that that color has changed, that means you've published it. Now, if you click it again, it's going to unpublish it. So you want to make sure you only click it once until it turns that color. Okay, and once it turns that color, that means I can see that you've done your assignment and I can give you your grade for that. All right, I hope that this wasn't too complicated, and I'll show you in the next video how to actually add artwork into your portfolio. All right, have a good day, guys.